Hello student, Namaste Subhadranalai. So today we are going to deal about the source of different types of antibiotic. So to remember the names of source of different types of antibiotic, I am going to provide you a short trick that will help you a lot. So the trick is tear CV no फायदा tear CV no फायदा cells going tear CV no फायदा cells going. This is the trick. So learn the trick, that is tear CV no फायदा cells going. Only use the capital letter for the trick. So now let's elaborate the trick. So in first we have T. So terramycin, and the source name is streptomyces. R means ramosus, streptomyces ramosus. So in second we have C, that is chloromycetin or chloramphenicol, chloromycetin and chloramphenicol, and its source is streptomyces. CV means Venezuela, ZUELA, Venezuela. And now in third we have N means neomycin, and the name of source is streptomyces. F means Freddy, FRADIE, Freddy. And now in fourth we have S. So S means streptomycin, and the source is streptomyces. G means gracious, GRISEUS, gracious. Look, so now listen one thing. Here we know the name of species should be in small letter, but I am writing R, V, F, G capital. This is only for the trick, because in trick we have written R, V, F, G capital. So we have, because genus is same in all the four. Genus is same in all, only the species is different. So we have to make the trick with the species. So I am writing here the name of species capital. Don't say it is wrong, okay? It is only for your understanding. So we have T R C V N F S G. So after that we have, this is the trick, but except these four we have also 2-3 important antibiotic. So I will also provide that. In 5 we have penicillin, penicillin, penicillin. Everybody knows the source of penicillin, so it does not need any trick. That is Penicillium notatum. See, here is small, Penicillium notatum. This first time penicillin discovered, Penicillium notatum, but now commercially penicillin is extracted from Penicillium chrysogenum. So in exam anyone can be asked, And in 6 we have erythromycin. So the source name is Streptomyces erythris. So here, why erythromycin does not need trick is that the genus is same in all, but the species is different. And here in erythromycin, the species is from its name only, erythromycin, and the species name in erythros. So it is so easy, and examiner does not ask these two because everyone can know erythromycin has streptomycin erythros as its source. So this much for today. I hope you get understand. So my dear student, take the screenshot, and if you like the videos, please do subscribe it, and thank you for the class. Bye bye.